Hello. You've come to the California Tech Showcase to make business in Europe. Could you just tell us a few words about your company and tell us also what you are looking for in Europe?
Okay. Nanostellar prepares catalytically active materials that are used in diesel emissions control. So in diesel automotives, diesel trucks, and stationary engines. We prepare the materials that go into the catalytic converters. Traditionally, these materials are all platinum-based materials, so they're very expensive. What Nanostellar does is makes platinum-based alloys and alloying platinum with lower-cost materials so that we have materials that perform equally well, or in some cases better, than pure platinum, but at a much lower cost. For example, one of our first-generation materials is about 20 to 25% lower cost than platinum, only for these applications. And then our second-generation material that we introduced includes platinum, palladium, and gold. Gold was used for the first time in the automotive industry in catalytic converters, and that reduces the cost by another 15 to 20% over our first-generation products. So we have been working with European aftermarket customers and European OEMs because Europe is a large diesel market for automotive industry there. Most of our production right now comes to Europe. 90% of our production comes to Europe. We have a manufacturing facility in the US. And what we are doing right now is we are working with 2 European OEMs with the aim to start production to supply these 2 OEMs in the middle of next year. In preparation for that, we're looking at a facility in Europe to produce our powder here in Europe. And for that, our business model has been Nanostellar works on designing materials. We design the materials, we design the manufacturing process, but we really work with our partners to do the manufacturing because we don't really have the competencies in manufacturing. We are very strong in engineering and design work, but not in manufacturing. And we have, in our U.S. facility is in joint venture with another company that's very strong in manufacturing. And we're looking for partners in Europe who would work with us to establish a manufacturing facility to supply European automotive OEMs with this material.
All right, that's very clear. Thank you very much for this information and good luck for your business.
Thank you.
Thank you.